number 1. A ladybug will sit on a flower that has 5 petals and 3 leaves. On which of the following flowers will the ladybug sit? Petals means, see these things on the flower? That's a petal. So that said 5 petals and 3 leaves. So let's find 3 leaves.
Underline.
1, 2, 3. 3 leaves and 5 petals. 5 petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is B. Number 2. A square was made of 25 small squares, but some of these small squares were lost. How many small squares were lost? I have a good strategy for this one. So I do is, you see these squares, I just copy them like this. So there is number 1. And here let's make number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. So to fill this whole square up, we needed 10 small squares were lost. So the answer is number D. Let's go to number 3. The kangaroo is inside how many circles? I have a good strategy for this. It says how many circles the kangaroo is in how many circles. So look, for this one circle, we can obviously see the kangaroo is inside this circle. So number 1, and we can obviously this one too. So number 2, and here too the big one. So it'll be number 3. And not this one because the kangaroo is not inside this circle. So the answer will be C, number 3. Okay, number 4. 7 sticks lay on top of each other. Stick number 2 is at the bottom. So as you can see here, stick number 2 is at the complete bottom. Stick number 6 is at the top. So here, stick number 6 here is at the top. Which stick is in the middle? Okay, so if so all we know that stick number 2, it's not that. It's not stick number 6. It's not stick number 1 because 1 is just one stage up than number 2. So it's not number 1. It's not number 4 because it's one stage down than number 6. It's not number 5. It's not number 7 because 7 is just a little bit more down than 4. So it's not 7. So all we have rest is stick number 3. So the answer is stick number 3. Okay, next page. Number 5. Alan is 5 years old. His sister, Bethany, is 7 years old, older than him. What is the sum of their ages? Okay, so let's find Bethany's age. So we have to do Alan is 5 years old and his sister is 7 years older than him. So always sum means a plus, addition. So 5 plus 7 equals to 12. So Bethany is 12 years old. And in the question said, Alan is 5 years old and his sister Bethany is 7 years old older than him. So it's going to be 12. Bethany is 12 years old. And Alan is 5 years old. So if we do that, 12 plus 5 equals to 17. So the answer is E, 17. Let's go to the next one. Number 6. What number of dots are hidden behind the cat and the dog in the equations? We know a lot of math because I did Kumon with you guys, and that helps you a lot. So 4 plus 5, you could just do that like this if you don't understand. So 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So behind the cat, it's going to be 9. This one. 5 minus something equals to 2. So what you're going to do is 5, like you have 5 and minus something equals to 2. So here, this is going to be 2. Okay? So here I put down 3 fingers. So behind the dog will be 3. So it's going to be 9 and 3. Number C. Okay, if you don't understand like this, you just do 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So it's going to be here, it's going to be 3 here, and here it's going to be 9 as we did here. So here it's going to be 9, here it's going to be 3. So the answer is C. Part B. Each correct answer is worth 4 points. Number 7. The first 2 scales in the picture are balanced. How many ducks are needed on the right side of the third scale to balance the crocodile? So as you can see here, 1 tiger equals to 2 ducks. So 1 tiger is equal to 2 ducks. And 1 crocodile is needed for 2 tigers. So 2 tigers equals to 4 ducks because 1 tiger equals to 2 ducks. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4 ducks. So here the answer will be B, 4 ducks. Number 8. Which of these shapes below should be placed on top of each shape to make a triangle? So here we have this form. So it says we need one of these form, A, B, C, D, E. We have to place it on top to make a rectangle. So for this, like example, I take A. It won't work because these two, this has 2 triangles here, and this has 1, 2, 3. So not A. Well, we have B. Here has 1, 2, 3. It won't work because there's a big spot in the middle, and here we need 1 small spot. So not number B. Here we have C, 1, 2, 3. And here is all smalls, and here has 2 bigs. So not number C. It's D, 1, 2, 3. Here has a big spot, a triangle, a big one, and here it requires a small one. So not number D. So here we have a small triangle, perfect, of 2 two big triangles here. Perfect. So if we place this on top of this one, the answer will be number E. The E will make you form a rectangle. Okay, so here it says number 9. This is an easy one. How many numbers between 10 and 31, including 31, can be written using only the digits 1, 2, and 3? You can repeat digits. So it says, how many digits we can make between 10 and 31? Like let's with 1
how many numbers we can
with 1 we can make 11. With 2 we can make 12. With 3 we can make 13. Okay, let's start again with 1. With 1 we can make 21. With 2 we can make 22. And with 3 we can make 23. And again with 1 we can make 31. So let's count. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer will be D, 7. Okay, well we found 7 numbers. So we found 7 numbers between 10 and 31. So there is 10 numbers, so the answer is D7. Number 10. My rabbit only eats cabbage and carrots. Last week he ate either 10 carrots or 2 heads of cabbage each day. If he ate a total of 6 heads of cabbage last week, how many carrots did he eat? So here it says 2 heads of cabbage each day. If he ate a total of 6 heads, so 2 heads of cabbage equals 1 day. Here it says he ate 6 heads, so 2 and 2, because 2 plus 2 equals to 4 and 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So heads of cabbage equals to 1. So it says 1 week he ate. So this is not 1 week. It needs 4 more days. So these 4 days he ate carrots. So here it says he either ate 10 carrots each day. So 10 plus, because we need 4 more days to make a week. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 40 days. 40 carrots. So he ate, the answer is number D, 40, because his rabbit ate 40 carrots. Number 11. Mary has 13 flowers, 5 of which are rose. The rest are tulips. 6 of the flowers are right, and the remaining flowers are red. And it's how many tulips are red? So here it says Mary has 13 flowers. So Mary has 13. And 5 of which are rose. So 13 minus 5 is 8. So the rest are tulips. So has 8 tulips. 6 of the flowers are white. So if we can do 8 minus 6, it will be 2. And the remainings are red. And this, how many tulips are red? 2, because it says here 8 tulips and 6 of the flowers are white. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. Answer is B, 2. Little elephants A, B, C, D, E, F are lining up to buy tickets. F is after A and before D, and he is also between B and C. B is in the first in the line, so B is in the first of the line, and E is in the last of the line. So it says already E is in the last, and B is in the first. It says F is after A. So it'll be here will be A, and here will be F. And then it says after A. And before D, he is also between B and C. So C will be here, and D will be here. So it says which is F in F. F in F, it's here. B, third. Sorry, I made a mistake. It's number F. It's number B, the third. Welcome to part C. Each correct answer is worth 5 points. Number 13. A square was cut into 4 parts as shown in the picture. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. As shown in the picture, there is one small rectangle, one small rectangle. So there's 2 small triangles, and there's
3 small triangle.
Yeah, 3 small. No, 2 small and 1 big. And here there is number 4, a rectangle. So which of the following shapes cannot be made with these 4 parts? So here, 2 baby triangles. We can make it here, 1 here, and 1 here. And a big triangle, we can make it here. And the rectangle is here. So number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. B. We can make a big triangle like this, a rectangle like this, and 2 baby triangles like this. So it's not B. Number C. We can make 2 baby triangles like this, 1 rectangle like this, and 1 big triangle like this. Number D. We can make... No, it's number D. The answer, because we cannot make a big triangle like this. So D is the answer. Now number 14. Place the digits 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the squares so that the sum is as large as possible. What is the sum? So here we can make 52 and 43 because we can't take the same number twice. So 52 and 43. The answer is equal to 95. So the answer is D, 95. Number 15. Fidya has 4 red cubes, 3 blue cubes, 2 green cubes, and 1 yellow cube. He is building a tower. See in the picture. In such a way that no 2 cubes touching each other have the same color. What is the color in the cube with the question mark? So my strategy is this: 4 red cubes. So 1 R for red, 4. And then there's 3 green cubes. I mean blue. So B, and B. 2 green cubes, G, and 1 yellow cube, 1 yellow. So here we can make a red here, a red here, a red here, and a red here. No, it's gonna touch together. And where can we put a red? So red we're gonna put here. It doesn't work, it's gonna stick together. Here, no. This will stick here, no. So the only place we can put the last red, it's in the question mark. So the answer is A. The red. Red done, red done. Now let's place the blue. My favorite color. We can put blue here, a blue here, and a blue here. Okay, so blue done. And let's put green. A green here and a green here. Green done, and then a yellow. So the answer, we can only put a red in the question mark. So the answer is A, red. 16. Gear A is about to make one complete turn in the direction shown in figure 1. The piece X moved one of the positions A, B, C, D, E shown in figure 2. To which position did X move? So X is right here. So this is going upwards. So this is gonna go downwards like this. And then 16. Gear A is about to make one complete turn in the direction shown in figure 1. The piece X moved to one of the positions A, B, C, D, E shown in figure 2. To which position did X move? So here, gear A is turning upwards. So this big gear will go downwards like this. And then if this turns downwards, this will go upwards like this. Okay, here it says the piece X moved to one of the positions A, B, C, D, E shown in figure 2 here. X is right here. Okay, so if this gear makes a complete turn, it'll be right here. A. So here it's A. So the answer is A. Let's start number 17. How many triangles are there in the picture? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 16, like this triangle. 17, like this. 18, like this. 19, here. And then this triangle right here, it will be 20 and 21. So the answer is B, 21. John wrote the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on a whiteboard. John then erased some of the numbers and added up the remaining ones. He got a sum of 24. At most, how many numbers were left on the whiteboard? So it says at most here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It says at most, so we can take a lot of numbers. So I will take 1 plus plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus this all together here makes 10. So I'll take 16 plus 8 equals 24. How many numbers is there here? It says, because it says at most. I picked the most numbers. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the answer is D, 6. Assalamualaikum guys. Thank you for watching my Math Kangaroo video. Inshallah, I will make more. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah khairan.